Hey guys, good morning. So just now I came back from college. So now first of all I am going to have freshen up and after that I'll have meal. So guys, today was external, so Viva was so bad and whatever I have written external I write properly. But which question I was not prepared, that question I was asked and that's why I can't answer properly. So okay, so now first of all I'm going to have freshen up and then I'll have meal. So after that I'll take some rest and then I'll start study for next paper. So that's all. Guys, I just ready to go to tuition. So some time ago, when I came back from college, I go for the directly bed because I was so tired and feeling so much sleepy. And after that, some time ago, I had meal. So now I'm going to the tuition. So when I came back from there, I want to do study. So yesterday I just studied for 1 hour. So now today also today I want to uh, watch lectures. So okay, now I'm going to the tuition. So guys, I just came back from tuition. So now first of all I'm going to have freshen up and after that I have so many tasks to complete. And yesterday I did complete just one lecture. I did not complete one lecture even, but I just did one or so okay. So now I'll resume this lecture and will also make notes. So what I'm learning I'll speak in future. So it's surprise now, so I will not tell now. So now I want to complete first my uh, regular task and also 365 day challenges like my vocabulary meditation and develop, and so many tasks are there. I want to complete them. So okay, first of all I'm going to freshen up and after that I'll do meditation. So let's go. So guys, since so many days I did not make any proper vlog, so which I already told that I'll make video and change my daily topic, like I'll improve my vlogging skills as well as my speaking skills. But now I did not complete. I just completed like my responsibility, but and like a 365 day challenge, but I'm not improving properly. So from tomorrow, like or from today, I'll start my vlogging with my family and I'll introduce them and uh, whenever I will whatever I will do I'll share on with my blog. So okay, so if possible today I'll start, and if not possible I'll start from tomorrow. And also guys, I am confident to speak, but due to lack of vocabulary I'm not proper speaking. I'm not able to proper speak. So I'll learn vocabulary. Yesterday I plan to start my vocabulary, but I can't, and accept the vocabulary. I watch my lectures because I am not able to do able to see it properly and can't do anything. So while sleeping I was attend the lecture and I was watching lecture. So but while watching I did sleep, and that's why I can't complete my lectures. So okay, now I'm going to do my task. So let's go. So guys, I just did meditation. So now first of all I'm going to complete my task, that is Duolingo, and if possible I'll do vocabulary. So in my throat I am getting some pain because I don't know why. It can cause due to I had ice, so that's why it can. So I can't speak properly even. So okay, now I am going to have meal first and then we'll decide what to do. And also I want to wake up early in the morning because there will be class at morning uh, uh, at 6:30. So I want to go there. So I want to wake up at least 5:30. So that's it. So okay, now I'm going to have meal first. So that's it. So guys, I just had a meal. So now I'm going to do my vocabulary. So at least two vocabulary is enough because my consistency is break. So I want to make again my consistency. So whatever my vocabulary I want, at least I want to two vocabulary I want to learn and write there. So from today, and this time I'll start my uh, vocabulary again. So okay, and also I'll complete my Duolingo practice. And okay, so now I just had meals. So now I'm going for the walk, and after getting back from there, I'll complete my overall task. And okay, so first of all, uh, I'm going for walks. So that's it.